Off to St. Fagans today in Wales. Okay. Mm. Welcome to St. Fagan, guys. Ito muna ang ating pupuntahan. Oh, ang ganda ng kanilang toilet o dalawahan. Isa for me and for Chloe. Mapa ng St. Fagans. So, ang daming pupuntahan. Hindi natin alam kung mapupuntahan natin lahat yan. I hope you will enjoy the tour, Nige. Will take a while to cover all the vast venue, vast area. Nige! Pwede ka rin ano dyan, akyat-akyat ka dyan.
St. Fagan, right?
St. Fagan. Hi, Nige. I hope you will enjoy.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're here right now in St. Fagan Museum. It's in Wales, and we just started the first stop.
Yep. Here.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nigel here, and we're here now in the grounds of St. Fagan Museum in Wales, and we're walking towards our first stop, which is Lan Esgermolen Woolen Mill.
Mill. And St. Fagan's Castle as well, and Castle Garden. So, yep.
So,
Nigel's here with the gang, with the Boden.
so stay tuned.
Yep.
And we'll see you in a bit. Have a good day. Bye for now. See you. Stay tuned, okay?
Castle Gardens. Siyang ating vlogger ngayon.
Mas maganda kung nakikita na sa harap.
Mamaya. So, ang ganda ng water, ano niya doon, oh, water garden. It's beautiful. Mas maganda to sa summer. I think sa taas yung castle, akyat ka doon. Ito yung Castle Garden, guys. Ang ganda, di ba? Yan si Nigel. Kaway. Hi! Yeah, Castle is nude. St. Fagan. Ang ganda nito. Right, 1, 2, 3. Ang ganda niya, no? Lalo na pag summer ito, nice. Ang ganda. Lovely. Tough. Pag dito ka nagkuha sa taas. Bye, Daddy.
It's a video.
Chloe, Charlie. 1, 2, 3. Yung view naman dito sa taas. Ayun si Nige, oh. Hello! Halika na. Picnic tayo. Somebody's hungry. Waiting for the food, I think. Dito na to sa taas. Ayan, may mga akyatan pa rin dyan. Tapos yan yung mga magagandang puno. Ayun yung dalawang bata. So, ito na si Manong. Naghihintay na siya ng food. Ang ganda naman. So beautiful. Yeah, kakain muna kami.
like this, Madeleine.
Yeah, quick break
It's
muna
like,
tayo, mag-snack muna tayo.
Like
So, meron...
a tart with a chocolate at the bottom.
Yeah. So, meron tayong Madeleine. Meron tayong sausage rolls, pork sausage rolls. And we got the Eccles cake, real Lancashire
Mm.
Eccles cake, and the one from Canada, Nature Valley fruit and
Power
nut
bar.
power bar. So ayun na sila,
Oh,
kainan
this
muna
is so good,
sila.
guys. You should try it. It's
Madeleine.
really good. Madeleine.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, papunta na tayo sa castle naman. At Castle Gardens and toilets as well. Wow. Mas maganda sana dito guys kung summer kasi yung mga plants may mga nakatanim na at nakatubo na sila at they are blooming. So ayan ang castle. May helicopter. Ito yung Castle Garden. I think that's the museum. We're gonna check that out.
It's Esther Castle.
Yeah. So around the castles may mga tanim-tanim din sila. May mga pananim, mga gulay, vegetables. Yan yung mga pamumuhay noon at ngayon. Ito yung ating turista. Ating turista from Canada. Namamasyal siya dito sa Wales. Lovely. What is it then? Ah, the vinery. Parang puzzle. Ang ganda niya. Hanapin mo si Steve.
Ang ganda.
Hanapin mo si Steve kung nasan. Kita mo siya? Ay, saan sila? Asan? May fountains pa doon. Naalala ko dito si Jenny. Pinicturean ako ni Jenny. Here. May fountains din dito.
Make a wish.
Make a wish and your wish will come true. Yes, papunta na sa castle. So this is the St. Fagans Castle. Welcome to St. Fagans Castle.
Nakalagay?
Old story. So, nandito na kami sa loob ng St. Fagans Castle. Ito ang kusina ng St. Fagans. May trono daw dyan. Ano yan?
With wood.
Ito yung toilet niya. Old toilet.
Dinner is served by 4 They've just had 3 courses for lunch and they're having 5 courses for dinner.
So, ito yung mga castle servants during the 1890s. Medyo. So, ito yung kitchen. Dito nila piniprepare yung mga pagkain ng mga royals. So, welcome to the St. Fagans kitchen, Nige. So, yan yung mga old lutuan nila. Yung barbecue there. Yan yung kanilang old clock. Do you like their kitchen?
Yeah.
Yes.
I love the open kitchen like this.
Yes, open kitchen is beautiful. So, yun yung mga utensils, kitchen utensils nila. So, yun yung mga cabinets. Ito na yung dining table. Welcome to the dining room. May Christmas tree din sila. Ito yung old mirror. $16.94.
Is this piano?
Washroom?
What is this?
I think this is the washroom.
Wood. Wood is
Wow.
like the utensils and everything. I think it's open up.
Ito yung mga lumang gamit noon. Lumang cabinets. Lumang room. During 1890s here in St. Fagan Castle. Ano yan, Daddy? Mga cabinets. Ha?
Buffet table.
Oh, buffet table. Wow. Oh, now open siya. Okay. Ito yung mga picture nung unang panahon. Mga damit nila. Oo, 1690 pa. Ano naman tong room na to? So, dalawang room. Wow, ang ganda. This is entertaining room, I think. Oh, kasi nag-entertain, may mga harp. Nag-play sila ng harp. Mga piano there. So, may fireplace as well. Ang laki. Wow, ang ganda. Gusto ko yung kanilang mga lights.
Would you like to live in a castle, Mommy?
Maybe when you
Possible.
get to one
Ang
pub.
ito yung may mga arts. Chloe, you can
You're hungry.
mga artworks nila dito.
Like on the other side
The
of
whole wall ay may mga paintings,
I
guys.
wouldn't love that.
Ang ganda naman.
Forever you can smoke.
This is their.
Don't want to
Wow,
traumatize
look at the tapestry.
Para siyang entertainment room, no?
Yeah, the like living room
Oo.
where they chit chat, crocheting. This one.
So, ito naman yung sa labas ng St. Fagan Castle. Ito yung mga puno niya dito. Yeah, we only see the castle part. Kasi nun, ito yung makikita niyo sa castle and gardens. So, outside the castle, yun ang gardens na. Ito yung magkapi-kapi dyan.
Mommy first. First, Charlie. 1, 2, 3. One more. One more.
Ayan, tapos na silang mamasyal. Pababa na kami, maghanap naman kami ng ibang lugar. Kasi malaki tong lugar na to, marami ka pang pwedeng pasyalan. Pupunta naman tayo dito sa Woolen Mill area. So it's called Woolen Mill area. So we're gonna check it out. I think you can go inside as well. Free lang dito sa St. Fagans. Ang babayaran mo lang ay yung car park na £7 a day. For the whole day na yun. So what do they do here? Probably things made of wool. Stridden barn. This barn is made up of 3 separate sections. The largest part is the oldest and dates from 1550. An extension was added and about 100 years later. These sections were used to store crops. Between them is a clear used as a threshing floor where crops were beaten with flails to separate the grain from the straw. Oops, pasok tayo dito. Nasaan na sila? Oh, ano na sila? So, ito siya. Yan ang kanilang dingding made of wood. Nung unang panahon dito sa Wales. So, andun yung castle, andun yung garden. Yung dito pala yung woolen mill. Ito pala yung woolen mill. Yung kanina doon, yun naman yung barn. So, punta tayo sa woolen mill na ngayon. Fishing exhibition meron. So, built in 1760, re-erected in 1952. By the 1880s, the woolen industry was one of the most important industries in Wales. Rearing sheep was the most suitable type of farming on the wet Welsh hills, producing a plentiful supply of wool. This mill turned wool into blankets, shawls, flannel for making clothes, and yarn for knitting and socks from 1880 until 1932. Look for the big water wheel, which drives the machinery. It may not be where you first think. The process in which the raw, greasy wool is washed, dyed, combed, and spun before weaving all take place in the mill. Cool. Ayan, picture kita dyan, Nige. Ganda kakulay mo. Tignan natin kung mapapasok natin ito. Ikot lang siya. Ano dyan? Anong nakikita mo?
Wool.
Ah, wool. Okay.
It's still a walking wool, right? It says. These buildings, they relocated them
Mm.
to different venues.
Dito naman tayo sa farmhouse naman, tsaka chapel. So, ito na yung titingnan naman natin. Malaki talaga siya, no? Lilibutin mo. Masarap na siyang lakaran. Yun pa, marami pang pupuntahan dun. Pag summer, marami mga bata na nagbabakasyon. So, they use this spot for like outdoor activities. So, ito yung chapel niya. 1777. So, ito yung chapel niya. Chapel nila noong unang panahon. So, pagpasok, wow! Ang cute niya. So, pagpasok natin yung mga upo-upuan nila. Ang liit lang, no? Very tiny. Ito yung pedestal, yung pulpit. So, dito nagko-congregate yung mga tao noon nung nagsisimba-simba sila. Unang panahon. 1777. 1700s. Simbahan. Maliit na chapel. So, ito yung aakyatan. Pagka may nag-ano na yung pare, dito na sila. Ayan. Nandito tayo ngayon. We are gathering around today. Because we are... Ayan, aakyat sila. So, ang liit lang niya. Tignan mo yung taas niya. Meron din mga pwede ring upuan doon sa taas. We are congregating today to talk about our next platform for the next election. Guilty, Your Honor.
One, two, three.
Ngayon, ang ating mga plano ngayon sa buhay.
Okay, salita ka lang.
Saan tayo pupunta mamaya? Ayan, ayun si Nigel. Ayun tatlong mga botante.
Hola!
Bye! Magdedicate ka na muna. Punta ka doon sa taas.
Ayun, nahilo ko.
Nahilo ka. You got dizzy. So, siya naman po ang merong sasabihin sa atin, mga plano niya sa buhay. Ano ang ating mga plataforma sa next election, Mayor?
Vote for women's rights
Yes?
and abolition of slavery.
Okay,
No
good.
more slave and respect for women and tolerance for peace. And I believe that beauty is
Life. Beauty kit.
that beauty inside is more important than outside.
Yes.
And I thank you.
Wow. Very nice. Which one? That one there. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Let's have a look. Let's see what's our point of view from upstairs. Oh, yeah. Marami pa rin mga benches dito kasi pagka naupuno na dun sa baba, doon naman sila sa taas naman sila. Uupo.
Ang bench, kanya-kanyang pamilya.
Oh.
Walang bench na pare-pareho.
Okay.
It's all different. Kasi dinonate siya ng pamilya.
Okay.
And they sit on the same upuan.
Ayan. When these are full already, you can go upstairs. You can listen to the sermon. So, ito naman bahay natin. Titignan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano naman yan. So, isa din yan sa mga built-up houses dito sa village ng St. Fagans. Mabuti na swertehan namin yung panahon ngayon kasi maaraw siya. Lately kasi it's been raining. So, we just got lucky. What is it? Squirrel? Bird. Ano naman to? Farmhouse. Built about 1678.
I think it came originally from here
Mm-hmm.
and relocated to here.
Mm.
Abermod.
Minumove around pala nila so people can see it. Timber farm houses.
That's it. It's been here since 1959.
Mm.
But from 1678. 1678, that's the original location. But on the same acre, the same area. Like I mean, this hectares and acres of lands. Yeah, we are somewhere here.
Mm.
So that's the original location. They moved it all. Concentrated in one area. Yeah, from all over Wales.
All over Wales. Timber frame house like this were once
one location.
common along the
So
border with
originally, Steve,
England. This
the
one
only, original structure
Was
here
built
the
in
castle.
1678 and
then
was
this one is
home
like
to the
relegated
Rees
here
family.
for,
This
you know,
furnished
double
as
protection.
it may
Yeah.
have been 300 years ago when Evan and Jane Rees farmed
Taking a
here.
lot of work.
In 1708, they spent a considerable sum on improvements such as stone fireplace and
So they
first
can be
floor.
preserved in one Yeah. location.
Farmhouse to ng mga family Rees. So, pasukin natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung loob niya. So, open, please come in. Our agod Juch Imun. Which I tried my best. So, oh, hello. Sorry. Good afternoon. Oh, there's a fireplace as well.
Is anyone coming in behind you?
Yeah. I see, yeah. Yung wooden burning. Ang ganda ng bed nila. Yung kitchen area niya. This is yung bedroom. Table. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice and warm here. Another farmhouse here, guys. 1700s. 1400s pala siya, not 1700s. 1400s. Farmhouse, re-erected in 1959. Wow. Dinner is ready. Ang cute po, oh.
Look at the size.
Ang cute naman ng bahay nila. Mini house. Tayo may Christmas tree din sila. May paakyat doon.
As a bench. Yeah, it goes
In
down.
the kitchen.
It goes down as a bench. It's
Ah,
very
ang cute ng
this one's
kitchen.
very typical in Scandinavia too.
Ang cute
The
ng
same
kitchen,
space.
oh. May I see the look?
Oi.
Yung ano.
Charles and Diana.
You wanna go
Is it? When they came here and visit. There's a little
Food on there.
40 years
Ah,
ago.
cute ng kitchen nila.
30 years ago.
I want to go on. Look at those stairs.
Very steep.
Very thick. Look at those oranges.
Look at the fish and chips.
Wala nila. Ang cute. Mini house.
You see the
Oxo,
OXO?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have Oxo before. It's a tiny house. The pail before. Put water.
I got one of those.
May mga garden sila dito. Players Navy Cat. Ayan, toilet nila. Toilet is outdoor. That's the outdoor toilet. Is it the outdoor toilet?
No, there's no toilet.
It's just... Oh, okay. So, yan yung mga parang mga toilet yan eh. Tapos ito, I don't know kung ano yan. Ito yung mga bahay-bahay nila noong unang panahon. Yung chimney. Ang bata.
What?
Bata.
Yeah. Ang babae.
Ang babae. Ang lalaki.
Ano boy yan?
Ano po yan?
And there's a toilet.
I think the whole village uses one outhouse.
Yeah. See. Beautiful. Ito yung mga gamit ng unang panahon. Ayan naman yung stairs, paakyat. So, ito na naman yung maliit na, bedroom. Ang cute naman. Nakikita ko ito sa mga movies. Old movies. Yung mga tao noong unang panahon. Nice, not too dark.
It's 1920s.
1920s house. So, yung bedroom niya during 1920s. Meron din paakyat sa taas doon.
Like, is this actually furniture that came from there?
There's another bed, another house. Maliliit lang ng, maliliit ng mga bahay nila noon. No? Swerte ka na nga pag may ganito kang bahay noon, no? Kasi before, mga katulad ng mga thatch houses, mga farmhouses. Yeah, it's cutie. Cutie pie. The God sees at me.
When I grow up, I'll reach this.
When I grow up. Ano yung kanyang mga old books, old picture frames, table. Beautiful.
If you're interested in buying something,
Oh yeah. 6 foot. 6 farm ano nila. Hope another one, another style. Ano siya?
Papunta sa mesa.
Ito naman, 4 kwarto na naman siya.
Diyan ang parents dito ang kids.
Oo. Kids
Ito
at...
parang hindi naman style ng tenement. Nakapunta ka naman sa tenement?
Saan yun?
Hindi mo naman tenement?
Hindi.
Sa likutan?
Parang nadidinig ko.
Yeah.
Uy. Don't break any... Oh, it's metal naman yung mga yan. Mga metals. Community oven. Ano naman to? Blacksmithing. So, yan yung blacksmith house. Yan yung mga metalworks ginagawa dyan. Ito yung shop niya.
Most of it were destroyed during World War II. And this place, but yeah, but usually there's a hole in it. We still have this in one place to another, and then it's like a thing.
Yeah.
So, papasukin din natin. So, ito yung loob ng Workmen's Institute. Binuilt to ng mga miners to provide some educational areas for their families. At saka mga meeting places nila. So, yung mga original member, Workmen's Institute member, parang serve as library for their children and families. Ito yung second floor niya. It's very nice. So, meron ka pang pwede ka manood ng ng story nila.
1943. So, we spent time here, after being back to this, cycle everywhere. That's Italian.
Welcome.
Went down, okay. Thirdly, Bantry, you go, oh, come on, Bantry, told me.
Jobs for the round kids and kid who were in the force.
Dito kami sa Oakdale Workmen's Institute. So, yung pwede kang manood ng mga story nila. Laki. Ito yung cockpit nila. Nagka-cockpit din pala sila noon. Popular din siya during 1660s. Office naman ito. Tapos yan yung cockfighting area. Tapos yun yung shop nila. Ito naman mga, sweet shop pala. Sweet shop. Turog bread. Ito, may picture si Melanie dito nun eh. Turog bread.
So like,
I think that yeah, film with human eyes. And I don't know how to describe it.
Okay. Very sweet.
Gate?
South Gates.
Toll gate. It's a
Toll gate naman siya. Oh, yeah. Exemption from tolls. Ito pa. Marami pa siya mga touch houses here. So, ito na yung ano ng village. Toll house. Oo. Yan yung toll house
But
niya.
you know what I'm talking
So, yan yung toll house. Magbabayad ka ng mga tolls.
When you walked into the shop.
Yeah, I was surprised.
Yeah, that was back from.
Ito.
Remember that in the 1980s?
Isa pa. Yan. Okay. Yan. Nice. Iron Age roundhouses naman dito.
Yeah. Hello.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yes, this is Lisa Llewellyn, eh?
Yeah.
The court of Llewellyn Bowl. There we are. You got that roundhouse up there, which is closed now. It's closed today. But the church there and the craft gallery over there. Okay.
Si King Stephen.
Mas maganda kung pataas.
Bakit dyan?
There we
Dada?
are. Excellent.
Pasok tayo. Puntahan natin yung church naman. Nasaan na sila? Sumunod. Thank you. Ang ganda na ng sunset. Kasi mag-aalas 4 na. Beautiful. Didn't take a picture then.
No, because I don't.
So, ito na yung church ng
When you
village.
turned around, it went down.
Oo. Ganda.
My bad. I didn't know.
So, ito yung church ng village.
You saw how close it was to me, right?
Pero magsasarado na kasi siya alas 4. Mag-alas 4 na, magka-close na daw.
Then we were just like, and
St. Telos Church pala. Go inside na, if you wanna have a look. Merry Christmas to all. Oh. Hello. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Ang ganda. It's beautiful. Ganda, no? Thank you. Jesus. Ganda. Pasok tayo. Punta natin yung church naman. Nasaan na sila? Sumunod. Thank you. Ang ganda na ng sunset. Kasi mag-aalas 4 na. Beautiful. Didn't take a picture then.
no, because I don't.
So ito na yung church ng
When we
village.
turned around, it went down.
So ito yung church ng village.
How close it was to me, right?
Pero magsasarado na kasi siya alas 4. Mag-aalas 4 na, magka-close na daw.
Then we were just like, and
St. Telos Church pala. Go inside na, if you wanna have a look. Merry Christmas to all. Oh. Hello. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Ang ganda. It's beautiful. Ganda, no? Thank you. Jesus. Ganda. Enjoy your St. Fagans tour, Nige.
Ano kaya yan? Oven or
Oven siguro yan.
ano kaya yun? I'm curious.
Tingnan mo.
Wala na time eh.
Hmm.
Pero parang baka oven. Oven or gawaan ng ice.
Siguro. O baka firewood. Pang ano ng firewood.
Gawaan ng coal.
Oo, coal.